Planogram Builder Tutorial 1. Installing Planogram Builder. After purchasing a license or requesting a free trial, you'll receive an email message as shown above. Click on the link to open the setup instructions. Click on the link to download Planogram Builder. Click Run. You may be asked for an administrator password. In this case, ask your IT to enter their password. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. Close your web browser. Planogram Builder is now installed. Double-click on Planogram Builder icon on your desktop or Start menu. You now see Planogram Builder login screen. Copy your account ID from the message you received and paste it into the Account ID text box. Also, copy-paste your username, then enter your password. Now click on Login. You have installed Planogram Builder.